Hi, my name is Scott McLeod and this is Evan Nielsen. We want to thank you for taking the time to view this video today and spending a little bit of time with us to talk about corporate formation and specifically LLCs. First off, congratulations if you're looking into starting your own business or if you have your own business, and congratulations if you're thinking about forming a corporation and more specifically an LLC. We think it's important that you form a corporation rather than be a sole proprietor. Now you may be asking, what is a sole proprietor? A sole proprietor is a person who exists and their business exists as the same thing. Ultimately, your person, your being, is also your business. And in business relationships, that's risky. You might be taking on liability you don't necessarily want to take on. We suggest forming an LLC. An LLC is a limited liability company. What an LLC will do for you, it will help protect your personal assets from any possible liability that your business might bring on. How can that happen? Well, if you get in some sort of, let's say, trouble or have some sort of liabilities, some sort of obligations personally, an LLC will help protect your business from those personal obligations. Another thing an LLC can do for you is that it will help protect your business from your personal obligations. Let's say you're starting out a new business for the first time and you want to protect your business from any personal obligations you have. Let's say credit card debt or other sorts of debts you have. An LLC can do that for you. Again, it can help protect your business from those personal obligations you bring to the business when you first started. Finally, one of the things that an LLC can do is that you can possibly take certain assets and place them into your LLC to further protect from possible obligations. In essence, what you're doing is you're taking your assets from your personal, if you will, personal accounts, personal ownings, and placing them into business ownings. And since the business operates as its own entity, that ultimately could protect them or give them another layer of protection that you didn't have before. We're going to spend a few minutes now. Evan's going to talk to you about different tax liabilities and tax responsibilities associated with different business entities, and particularly LLCs.
The tax issues associated with a limited liability company are pretty significant. I think the first thing to recognize is that if you are in the business of trying to make money, you are in business. And so incorporating, as Scott has mentioned, is a way of formalizing that. By doing that, you get yourself substantial benefits from a tax standpoint. If you're reporting business income and, more importantly, business expenses on your personal tax return, you have two issues. The first one is that there are significant limits on how and how much you can report in terms of business deductions. Second issue is that because there's very little information that is substantiated, the IRS is very concerned and very interested in what you report on your business return. So as a result, the risk of audit or other inquiry is pretty high. Now, if you report that same information on your business return, all of the rules change. The deductions, the exemptions that are available to you are substantially greater, and the interest that the IRS has on that information specifically goes way down. So the chance of an audit is also substantially reduced. And by using the method of filing a personal return and a business return, you can usually reduce your taxable income and your resulting tax by 50 to 70%. In most cases. Every situation is different, but that is what we've typically seen in all the returns that we have processed. So there's some substantial tax benefits in addition to the other benefits that Scott has mentioned. We appreciate you tuning in. We hope this has been helpful. If you have questions, we'd be glad to visit with you about it. Thanks and good luck.
Thank you.